So let us start the class. The first question, beta, you have to tell the IUPAC names of all these things, right? So first IUPAC name is, now firstly though we have to select the longest chain here, right? So firstly, beta, we will select the longest chain here, right? So longest chain is going to be, this is, beta, I have two cases, right? Either I can select it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I can select it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I will prefer, see, if I select the upper one, it will be on the second you have a substituent, on fourth and fourth you have two methyl groups, right? If down here I select, then 2, 2 you have methyl, and on the fourth you will have a vinyl, okay? So basically I will prefer the lowest locant rule. According to that, this sum is 4 plus 4, it is 10, and here it is 4, 6, 7, 8. So I will select this one and not this one. So I will just erase this thing here. I'll just erase this thing here, right? And I will select this one. That is, the answer is going to be, the substituent firstly you have to write, that is 2, 2, 4. This is trimethyl, 2, 2, 4 trimethyl. Acha, then what else you have? This total chain is pent, okay? So I'll write pentanol, okay? Because pentane, which position you have all? Third position you have all. Now I will cancel out this E here. What is the reason for cancelling this E? Because after E, if you have A, I, O, U, Y, you need to cancel out this E, okay? They can be, after E you can never have a suffix of A, I, O, U or any Y, right? So that is why I have cancelled this E here, right? Next question is this one. So here again I have to select the longest chain. So I'll definitely select from this side because I need to give the function group the lowest numbering here, right? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Okay, beta? Yes, beta. Let me see. Am I visible now? So beta, see. On the fifth position, you have a ethyl group, right? Then beta, this is hept. Hept, there is heptane because there is no E, there is no double bond, triple bond, right? So heptane. Then beta, on the second and on the fourth position, you have diol. Diol means two ols, right? So because this is E, now you will say, ma'am, we will not cancel out this E, ma'am, because after E, ma'am, you have D. But beta, di, tri, tetra is not included here, right? That we don't count that as while counting the alphabetical order or while cancelling it out. We don't count di, tri, tetra, okay? So that means here after this will count only O, that after E you have O. That's why I will cancel this E here, okay? I will cancel this E here. Second part is also done. Third is the IUPAC name of the following. So now you have to tell me the IUPAC name of the following. Now bacha, this is very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now beta, on the second and third position you have ol, otherwise it is butane, right? Butane. Again E will be cancelled out because ol, E and O can't be together, so E will be cancelled out. Butane 2, 3 diol. That is the correct answer for this one, okay bacha? Everybody done now? Chalo. Next one beta, next one. I can't see your chats. Why I can't see your chats? Why I can't see your chats? Maybe there is no option for that. Okay. But you can obviously like the video and comment down because I'm not able to see your chats. I'll ask the team regarding why I'm not able to see your chats, okay? So now you have 1, 2, 3. Now what about this one? It is on the first, second and third position you have ol, right? So it is propane. Again E will be cancelled out because of O. 1, 2, 3 triol, okay? 1, 2, 3 triol. Next one beta, you have this one. Here bacha, you have what? Here you have on the first position and on the second position. Yeah, two things here, right? You have two things here. First is, this thing is called phenol. This thing is called phenol. This thing beta is called phenol, right? So what I'll do, I'll just number these. I'll just make a numbering of this, right? If I started from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 2-methyl, then it is phenol, okay? Phenol. This benzene group is also called phene group, okay? So on the phene group, you have one OH group, that is phenol. That is why it is called phenol, right? So now beta, here it is starting from alcohol group only, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means it is 4-methyl, then you have phenol, okay? 4-methyl phenol, okay? Understood? Chalo. Next one bacha. Next one you have starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either though you can give this numbering, or there can be also one more numbering, that is, one more numbering can be there, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here the substituent will have 3 and 6 position. That is not very good in comparison to this thing. In comparison to this thing where I can give the substituent, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I can give the substituent 2nd and 5th position. That is more preferable, right? So it will be 2,5-dimethyl, 2,5-dimethyl, and this is your phenol. Again, now here you can start from this side also, that will be same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 2,6-dimethyl, 2,6-dimethyl phenol. Okay, 2,6-dimethyl phenol. Next, bacha, you have this one. Here you have, this is ether group. Ether is, firstly you have to select a parent chain that is longer. Okay, so this chain is obviously longer, so I'll select the parent chain as, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, I selected the parent chain here. Now what about the others? Now I see the substituent. Now beta, this substituent is called, where O is attached, this is called alkoxy. Alkoxy. Now for example, you have meth here, so it will be methoxy, right? So what you will write here, the answer will be, on the second position you have methyl, on the first position you have methoxy, right? So you'll write 2-methyl, 2-methoxy propane, right? That is your answer. Okay, next one is this one. Acha, what about this one beta? What about this one? Any answer to that? What about this one? Here you have, this is your benzene ring, है ना? And this is your O, this is CH2, this is CH3, right? So what I'll do, I have a choice, either I can select this one or I can select this one. So what I am going to select here? Everybody, what I am going to select here? What I am going to select here? Which is the longer one? This is having 1, 2 carbons. This is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. Right? So what I should select? Obviously, I should select the longer one. Which is the longer one? Which is the longer one? Which has more number of carbon atoms. Right? So I will select that one only. Right? So I will select like this. This is going to be my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So on the first position, you have a substituent. What is that substituent? That is 1-ethoxy, because this is your substituent now on the first position. This is alkoxy substituent. 1-alkoxy. What is this called? This is called benzene. Right? Okay, this is called benzene. Or in some books, you may see that this is also called benzene if you want to see the pure IUPAC naming. Though IUPAC has said that you can take this as benzene, right? But still, it can be also seen as ethoxycyclohexa 1,1,3,5 triene, right? Because what you will say about this benzene, right? This will be, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is first, on third and fifth position you have enes. So it is hexa because you have more than one double bond, right? So it is cyclohexa 1, 3, 5 triene. Either you can write it this way. Most probably you will see this only in your option, but yes, this you also should know, right? Acha, write the IUPAC names of the following compounds. Now this is a very important question. Why? Because here students get confused, ma'am, which one to select, right? Which one to select. Now you have this thing, O 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So you have this thing. Now your answer is, if you talk about the longest chain here, this is having 7 carbons, 1, 2, 3, and this having 6 carbons. So you will definitely select this one as the alkoxy. Now ma'am, benzene is as a alkoxy. What should I write here? What should I write here? As I told you, benzene is basically a phene group, right? So benzene is basically, this is all called phene group. So when OH is attached over here, it is called phenol. Now it is acting as alkoxy. So it will be called as phenoxy, right? Phenoxy. So what will the answer? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be 1-phenoxyheptane. Okay, 1-phenoxyheptane. That is your correct answer. So beta, I think we are still left with one more question of first part. Here it is CH3, CH2O, CH3, CH2, CH3. Now beta, you have to select the longest chain. So I will select this one, 1, 2, 3. This is my alkoxy part. So it will be on first position. Firstly, so you have ethoxy. E is before M. Okay, so 1-ethoxy, 1-methyl, because E is before M, na, alphabetically. Then it will be propane. Okay? Okay, bacha? Understood this?